Alright, now I'm just really wash my body, yeah, and also thank for God for how God created me. Thank you, God, for how you created me. Yeah, you made me beauty. You give me the beauty like God. Yo ho ho. I'm very very beautiful boy. Look at me. Now I'm in douche, but look at this. This it is designed by only God. But me, I have a beautiful girl. Look at this. This is what we call amaribori in katika lugha ya Kinyarwanda. This is what we call amaribori.